Jelana.
I got a package.
Oh, you got her package? Yeah. Is that Ate Dong's package?
No, I can't.
No, we're not going outside.
Are you outside?
Ate Dong is at the strawberry.
I want to go ahead.
No. Kunin mo daw siya. Yung Ate Dong can pick you up.
Why didn't I eat this?
Tell Ate Dong she can pick you up. Tell Ate Dong to come and get you.
Yes.
Tell Ate Dong to come and get you.
Eat this.
Okay. Do you want Ate Dong to come and get you?
Eat that candy.
Where you going?
Yeah,
No, they're downstairs outside. No, you cannot go there. They're downstairs. You have to wait. You have to wait here. Here's your package. Jade is gonna touch your package. You have to put it out there. Yeah.
I ate one more.
What you like? You have to throw that one though. You have to throw that one. Here you go.
No, one more.
That's a lot of candy. Oh. Jelana, that's a lot of candy. Kabiti, welcome, Kabiti. No. Welcome, Kabiti. Oh, I hear Grandma now. Oh, and Ate Dong. Say thank you, Ate Dong. Say. Oh, oh. Jade, can you throw it, anak? Jade, be careful. Kaka. She didn't finish it. Her gum. Did you say thank you, Ate Dong? Oh, you got 20. Yeah, Jelana got 20. See?
You still only 10.
Eh,
Absolutely 5.
See?
Why are you giving more money? You still only 10 from the time I helped you.
Lolo. Ang galing. Yay.
Unless you wanna play with Abby.
If you play with that. No, she's reading her book though. Yeah, so.
Boba Cafe.
Ay, may maaasahan ka ba dyan?
What's inside?
What's inside, Jelana?
Walang strawberry, konti lang.
Sa baba? Oh, hindi pa.
Na ano, nalipingan ng mga damo. No. Oh, wow. That's for me?
Oo.
This for me, Tala.